Hello, kids. For word study today, this is Mr. Agee. Um, we are going to go into the March 22nd through 26th assignments and resources folder. You're going to click into the word study folder, the yellow folder, and you've got an assignment waiting for you in here in Cami. Now, this is a review assignment. This week, you'll find that much of the work we're doing is review. We're trying to get ourselves back into the habit of doing the Words Their Way workbook work. So this is one of the last lessons in the Volume 1 workbook. When we come back, we'll be working in the Volume 2 workbook. But we'll be working on spelling patterns for short U and long U. And this is what the assignment looks like as you come in. If it gives you this, this seems like a scanned PDF. Would you like to add the text? Just click no thanks, and the document will show up here for you. So it's a picture of the work that is on page 76 of the Words Their Way Volume 1 workbook. So the directions for this assignment is say each short U and long U word. Write on the lines words from the box that have each vowel sound and pattern. So we're looking for a sound combined with a specific spelling pattern. So here we've got 3 columns to sort the words into. This is called a word sort. And what we're looking for is this pattern for short U, sound that is made by the consonant vowel consonant pattern. So here we've got the TH digraph that makes that's counted as a consonant, and then the short U, and then the M silent B combination that is the last consonant here. So this qualifies as consonant, vowel, consonant spelling pattern, and it makes the short U sound. The word is thumb. Okay, and now we've got 2 different ways to make the long U sound. We've got oo and oo, but this oo is spelled with the pattern EW, and this word is spelled with the pattern UW. Okay, so they call it a consonant vowel vowel, so they're giving W, the ending W, a credit for being a vowel in this case because it makes the long, together with the E, makes the long U oo sound. Okay, we know these aren't the only 2 ways to make the long U oo sound. There are actually other ways too. But in this case, we're looking for words with EW as oo and UE as oo. So you're looking for those spelling clues. So an important aspect of this is making sure you're reading the words and practicing and trying to memorize the spelling patterns in the words as well as you go. So the words in the box that you're sorting are plump, flew. Well, I didn't want that to happen. And then few, clue, chew, dump, brush, sue, trunk, stew, blue, drew, true, glue, truck, new, grew, and junk. Okay, so what I might do as a strategy for completing this page is I might sort through the words and type them as I go, starting from the top. So I'm going to look at this first word, pull and I'm going to figure out, okay, which category does that word belong to? Pull Okay, I hear the sound in the middle. So let's see, there's only one category that has the sound, but let's just make sure it fits the pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So I've got a consonant blend, pull, and then I've got the and then I've got another consonant blend, MP. So it does follow that consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. So I'm going to use my text box here. I'm going to open a text box here, and I'm going to type the word pull, and then I can use my line tool to cross it out. I'm done with the word plump. Okay, now I might look for other words that fit that pattern. I see UE on the end, that doesn't fit the pattern. EW on the end, it does not fit the pattern. UE, EW. Oh, okay, this one ends in MP, so I've got a D consonant, a short U, consonant blend, this fits my pattern. So I'm going to go in here and I'll go ahead and type the word, dump. I'll use my line tool to cross this baby out, and I'm on with my search. Okay, so when you're finished, you'll have all the words marked out, and you have all the words in their correct column. We're looking at short U, and two ways to spell long U, oo, with an EW and a UE. Okay, do your best and have fun with this as usual. And I do want you to submit it. So once you're all the way done, you'll go up to this turn in button. You'll click it once and then you'll click it again. Turn in. All right. I will talk to you later.